CleverScan is an automated mobile manhole scanning system. It fully inspects a manhole in minutes using 5 high-definition cameras as well as measurement lasers. Setup and operation of CleverScan is straightforward. First and most importantly, the site around the manhole needs to be secured using all necessary traffic management and personal safety measures. When transporting the system, keep it upright and secured so it cannot move. Place the system on a soft surface, such as a foam, to avoid damage during transport. Before placing the system on the manhole, determine whether the standard ring fits the manhole, or if you need to use the flexible metal stand. Switch the system on by pulling the red button on top. If the battery is adequately charged, the controls will illuminate to indicate the system is booting. This process takes some time and is complete once the lights switched off. With the system on top of the manhole, adjust its position so the camera head is centered over the manhole. Due to the offset cavities of many manholes, the center of the lid is usually not the center of the manhole. The camera can pass within 6 inches or 15 centimeters of the manhole opening. Centering is important to ensure even illumination and proper exposure. To center the camera in the manhole, push the button below the cable drum housing and move the head of the device to the desired position. Once the camera is in position, rotate the vertical laser to the outgoing pipe. The vertical laser is used as a reference during image processing to identify the 12 o'clock position of the manhole. Do this by pressing the red handle and turning the flexible part of the camera device until the vertical laser aligns with the outgoing pipe. Next, check the depth laser. Ideally, it should point to the bottom of the outgoing pipe, but it should not be aimed directly into water, since reflections from the water can confuse the depth measurement system, yielding unsteady or inaccurate measurements. The red handle can be used to level the system and compensate for any ground inclination. The system head must remain vertical. This can be confirmed using the water level on top of the camera. Before starting a scan, lower the cloth shroud over CleverScan so no light can enter the manhole. Extraneous light can compromise scan quality. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the computer to the camera system. Next, open CleverScan software. The program will automatically establish a connection to the system. Once the connection is established, start a scan by clicking Auto Scan. A dialog will appear, prompting you for manhole name and to check side camera quality with 4 preview pictures. You can also attach a picture of the site around the manhole. Upon completion of this dialog, the scan will start. During the scan, the camera creates photos of the wall and a video with the front camera. Depending on the depth of the manhole, the scan will take up to 1 minute. The camera stops automatically at the bottom of the manhole and returns back to its initial position. As this happens, the CleverScan software processes the acquired data and creates the final deliverable. Once complete, the scan appears in the CleverScan software.